Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix path of Exile game not launching or not opening or stuck on loading screen not responding error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you have to go below. You will find the system requirements to play the game. So check out all the requirements and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once the game files is verified, launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Now select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads. After that, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again, so confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again and after that try to play the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to allow the game through Firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on Firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here, and after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to delete config folder. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. After that, go to the documents folder. After that, open my games folder and here is the game folder. Here is the config folder. You have to simply, you can keep a copy of it and after that right click on it and click on delete option. So this will delete the game config folder and after that try to launch the game once again and then check if you can play it. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select it. Now after selecting it, you have to right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. Here you have to click on check for updates and this will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. Now after it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option, click on it. Now wait for some time. After, you will get setup successful message over here. You have to close this. Now restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game once again and then check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is install DirectX. For that I have already provided this link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on your system. After that you have to install it. Once you install it, now log into the game once again and then check if you can play it. If not, next is disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to search for graphic settings. So search for graphic settings. And now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding your game to the list, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Path of Exile game. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Path of Exile game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.